SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to create an app folder on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to start using app folders to organize your apps on your home screen, then you have the option of creating those folders directly from the home screen. To get started, simply navigate to one of the apps that you want to include in the folder, and then you can tap and hold on that app icon. That's going to bring up this menu where you can select the Edit Home Screen option. Now your home screen should look like this with the apps jiggling. So now you just need to tap and hold on one of the apps that you want to include in the folder, and then you're going to drag it on top of one of the other apps that you want to have in the folder. Once the app is on top of the other app, it's going to create the folder, and depending on the types of apps that they are, the name might be something generic. If you would like to change that name, then you can tap on the X and type in the name that you want to use, and then touch the Done button. And then if everything is the way that you want it to be, then you can tap outside of the folder, and then you can tap the Done button, and then you'll have that app folder created.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.